Hi, it's Raven again, and I am going to give you guys a little bit of a tour of my travel trailer, where I'm going to be living come December full time. Um, we are a 25-foot rear bathroom. Um, I'm also kind of recording this because I'm going to be making some like superficial cosmetic changes right now. Not right now, this second, but Um, so I just want to give you guys a tour and so we can see a before. It's also me documenting like what everything looked like and then after, right? Before and after. So I'm at the front door here, and off to my right is the bedroom area. To the left is the living, kitchen, and bathroom. So I'm going to flip the phone around and I'm going to show you what everything looks like. Please ignore the mess. I haven't moved into it yet. It is only October. I'm here kind of like assessing everything, looking at the storage. Then I've got to go back to the apartment. I have a lot of shit. So stuff is going to be going into storage. But I'm just in here today kind of assessing and cleaning up. I haven't taken it out since July. When my best friend and I did a 3-day music festival, I didn't really clean up once we got back. So please excuse the mess. So here we go. So off to the right, here is the bedroom. Oh, look, there's a mirror. So I am hoping that, so here's one closet. And this is the bed. I need to measure the bed to make sure that my bed will fit here because this mattress is garbage. Even with the toppers on, living in it and sleeping in it every single night for the next year is not going to be cute or comfortable. So there's storage underneath the bed. I need to get some lifters for it. There are these closets on each side. So it's actually fairly deep. And there's some storage up there, and it's the same on the other side. The other side is also where like the water pump is and whatnot. So it's really, yeah, not easy to get in and out over on that side. I can't put the slide all the way out because I am in the spot where I am storing it at the moment. So here is the kitchen. Here is the kitchen. I've got storage down here. So I'm just, like I said, I'm taking stock of what all I have, what things I need to get for, to make things more livable. Really, here's the sink, which is very shallow. I know for a fact that I'm going to replace this faucet. I do not like it. And to wash pots and stuff, it's really not very nice. So storage down there that I just showed you. Here are the cupboards. I've got storage up there. I am not going to open it because it is a hot mess. I've got some hanging bags here that I'll probably use to keep my produce. And then, the whole rig is, this brown color. I mean, it's not heinous, but it's also not what I want. So that's going to be changing. I'm probably going to paint it white. Here is my fridge. It's actually for one person. It's good size. So am I going to be going to Costco? No, probably not. That's the freezer. And then I'm going to turn around here. And this is the dining area. I know I can't get like a really good view of it. So this table is not the table that came from. This used to be my desk in the apartment. So it's fairly narrow and it will be my desk. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take out these bench seats because I hate them. And the table, I'm going to put it along the wall there. Bring in my office chair, and this is where I'm going to set up my computer and whatnot. That's the plan for this specific area. I'm probably going to take down these brown valances because I can see how this over time, and especially with winter coming, this is going to get pretty depressing, I think, for me. So here is the couch. This is also a fold-out sleeper. I'm going to leave it for now. I have ideas what I'm going to do here, but that's going to have to wait. And again, this is the slide. Like I said, I can't take it out all the way because I've got somebody parked next to me, and this is the storage area. So here's the entertainment center. I've got storage up there. It's actually a pretty decent amount. I need to measure. I don't think one of the thoughts that I had is that my tower would go here, but I don't think it will fit because my tower's pretty monster. I built the computer myself with the help of my son. So got myself a little TV. One of the other things I was thinking about, I have to figure out how to get get it off of there so I can see if it has like HDMI ports, because another thought is storing the desktop and getting a laptop and then using this as a monitor. I don't know if that's going to work. And then we've got more storage down here. This would work to keep no, it wouldn't. I think it's too narrow for the tower, but I don't want to get rid of that middle shelf there. And then the front door, there's the mop there. I've got another little cabinet there. And then go back this way. Since it's been parked, I keep the fridge open so it doesn't get moldy and smelly. And here is my pantry. Oh, I've still got stuff in here, which is actually good sized. And I could probably even random hanger. So I'm short, so I can't really, oh, there we go. So it's pretty deep. And I'm thinking on top here, I can probably store my air fryer and my popcorn maker. So it's really deep. I'm probably going to get also some roll out shelves. So this rig actually has a lot of storage here. And I guess I said I wasn't going to show you guys this area, but oh, it's not that bad. So this is all like camping stuff. So I've got plastic plates and whatnot. I think, oh look, there's booze. So I've got a lot of storage. I can really make this work. Now that I'm looking at it, I'm getting more and more excited. The plastic plates are going to go pick them up at Walmart for like 25 cents a piece. And for camping, that's fine. But I want real dishes. So probably Corelle. That's what I'm going to get. This is the bathroom. So the bathroom is good sized. So this is the shower. It's going to be really hard to show you guys here, but this is this door, it's 3 panels. So good sized here. And then the storage in this bathroom is frigging amazing. So this is really deep and it goes all the way down there. So I have a lot of storage. And then, of course, we've got over the sink. Yes, hi, it's a mess. Lots of storage there. Under the sink, more storage here. And then storage here. As I'm looking at everything, I'm feeling much more better. And storage here. So that is a tour of the rig and what it looks like today. So yeah, we'll be painting it white. I need to watch some YouTube videos on how to do that, because this is kind of like I don't know if I can paint over this stuff. It's really smooth. Oh, there's some caulking up there. So I don't know if it's wallpaper. I don't know if it's contact paper. I'm not exactly sure what it is. And then I'll paint it white because that'll open everything up. I'm not sure what my accent color is going to be yet. We will get there. I also want to change these light fixtures. I don't like the color of the lighting, I don't know if that makes any kind of sense, but it really looks kind of like fluorescent in here, and that's not relaxing or calming to me. So I'm going to figure out how to change these light fixtures into something prettier and a softer, more comfortable light. So that's the plan. It's a tour of my rig, and thank you for joining me on this adventure. And until next time, have a good day.